Well, I'm just about out of space on this piece of plastic, this disc, this DVD. Let me wrap things up with just a few final thoughts regarding some of the items that I've profiled. You might have figured out that before I started this project, I really had not made that much jewelry. I was far from any kind of expert, and I'm not sure I am one now. But I've learned a lot. I want to pass those things on to you. My daughter Christy actually acted as an unofficial advisor for me. She's a bit of a fashion expert, at least she thinks so. Anyway, she modeled many of the items at her workplace and got feedback from her co-workers, which I found most interesting. So here are just a few more conclusions or observations. The hair barrettes, they're popular, a very good production item. You can make 8 at a time, but there's a drawback, and that's the metal clip. Those metal clips are available in a variety of sizes. Large ones for thick hair, little ones for thin hair or maybe youngsters. The difficulty as a maker, how do you choose what size clip to use? When it comes to making earrings, the simple laminated wafers or disc, they have the highest ratio of work effort to wow factor. Very popular and very easy to do. The oval loops also prove to be very popular, and they're not that much more work. Personally, I really like the Hans Weislov style earring, the style with the intersecting grooves. A little more work to do, but I think in this case worth the extra effort. Of the 2 necklaces that I made, the colorful beaded necklace wins the prize. Much easier to do than the ebony tulip wood necklace. Although the ebony tulip wood is a nice piece, I question whether it's worth the extra work. Regarding bracelets, all 3 were very popular. The Indian blanket design is the most work of the 3. My daughter's favorite is the porthole bracelet with the malachite cabochons, and my wife's favorite is the ebony bracelet with the polka dots. Speaking of my wife Terry, some of her favorite items in the earring category are these 2 pieces. Not terribly difficult to do, but she really liked them. I hope I have opened a new door for you in the world of segmented wood turning. Segmented jewelry making presents endless possibilities for us as makers. I think this is really fun stuff to pursue, and I encourage you to develop some styles of your own. Above all, be safe as you pursue this. Have fun.